Leap Day, occurring on February 29th, is a unique event that takes place roughly every 4 years, specifically in a leap year to align the calendar year with the astronomical year. It compensates for the additional 0.25 days accumulated each year. The Gregorian calendar, our current system, designates February 29th as Leap Day to adjust for the nearly 365.25 days it takes Earth to orbit the Sun. This ensures our calendar remains synchronized with Earth's position relative to the Sun. Not every 4 years is a leap year due to a special rule in the Gregorian calendar. This rule was implemented to further refine our timekeeping and involves skipping leap years on certain century marks unless divisible by 400. The concept of adding an extra day to the year has ancient origins, tracing back to attempts by Ptolemy III in the 3rd century BCE. Although initially unsuccessful, the idea persisted and evolved over millennia. The Julian calendar, established in 46 BCE, first introduced a systematic approach to leap days, incorporating one every 4 years. However, inaccuracies in its calculation led to a gradual misalignment over centuries. The Gregorian calendar reform of 1582 corrected these discrepancies by introducing a more selective approach to leap years, particularly concerning century years and their divisibility by 400. This adjustment meant that years like 1600 and 2000 were leap years, while others like 1700, 1800, and 1900 were not. It ensures a more accurate alignment with the astronomical year. Other calendar systems also adopt leap year concepts, highlighting the universal need to align the calendar year with the astronomical cycle accurately. Leap days and years carry various customs and superstitions across different cultures, illustrating the human aspect of timekeeping. Hebrew, Chinese, and Buddhist timekeepers address the same matter not by adding hours to a single year, but instead adding a full month every 120 years, creating so-called interstitial or intercalary months. By adding just one extra day every few years, we can maintain the balance necessary for accurate timekeeping and seasonal alignment. The leap year system, while complex, showcases human ingenuity in solving the challenge of synchronizing our constructed calendars with the natural world. Overall, Leap Day serves as a crucial adjustment mechanism for our calendar, ensuring it remains in harmony with Earth's revolutions around the Sun. Understanding the reasons behind leap years and days not only enlightens us about our calendar but also connects us to customs and traditions that add depth to our experience of time. In Greece, for instance, leap years and days are considered unlucky for weddings, reflecting cultural beliefs tied to this calendrical anomaly. A fascinating tradition allows women to propose marriage to men on leap days, reversing the conventional roles in a courtship. This practice dates back several centuries and underscores the day's unique social significance. Originating in Ireland, this tradition states that on February 29th, marriage proposal etiquette is twisted so a woman may ask a man to marry her. In the 5th century, Saint Bridget of Kildare complained to Saint Patrick that women had to wait too long for shy men to propose. So, Saint Patrick decreed that on one day in February, every 4 years, a woman is allowed to propose herself. She did have to wear either breeches or a scarlet petticoat while doing so though. This ancient rule soon spread. In Scotland circa 1288, a law was passed, giving this tradition legal bearing. It also stated that any man who declined the proposal on this day would have to pay a fine. This was embraced in many European countries where the fine ranges from a kiss to money, a silk dress or 12 pairs of gloves. The gloves were so the woman could hide her embarrassment at not having an engagement ring. Leap Day is also St. Oswald's Day, named after the Archbishop of York who died on February 29, 992. His memorial is celebrated on February 29th during leap years and on February 28th during common years. The evolution of the leap year concept, from ancient attempts to the present Gregorian system, reflects our ongoing quest for precision in timekeeping. In conclusion, Leap Day embodies a fascinating intersection of astronomy, history, and culture, showcasing the ingenious ways humans have devised to live in sync with the cosmos.